Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change out the batteries in your Nordic style sensor trash can. So we're going to need 3 AA batteries. First of all, we're going to press this button in here and this in here to take off the lid, like so, and then we're going to turn it off here, like that. The battery compartment is just under this little rubber cover, so lift it up from here and pull it out. Like so. It might be a little bit stuck. Now these can be hard to take out. Hopefully you should still have this little bit of fabric. If you do, lift it out like that and it will take it out. If not, you're going to have to try to just manhandle this out like so. Now, it only takes 3 batteries, even though it looks like there's space for 4. On this bit, it says no battery, and there's also a bit of plastic here to stop you putting a battery in. You only need 3. So we're going to take out the old ones, and you need to recycle them. And we're going to put our new batteries in. Negative is going to be against the spring. So this is a negative, this is a positive. So negative, like so, positive here. Negative there, positive here, and negative there, positive here. Now this is important. If you have a look here, you will see that we have 2 contacts. These contacts are like that, that contact's like that. It's these 2 contacts that you want. That's where the power's coming out of this pack. And if you have a look here, we have no contacts here, but we have 2 contacts here at the bottom. So we need to put this in with the contacts at the bottom. Not at the top like this, but at the bottom as you push it in here. So these 2 need to hit these 2. Also, to make it easy next time, make sure you put the fabric over this side, and that means then you'll find it easy to grab in the future. So 2 contacts down here, like so, and push it home, like that. Fabric's here so you can grab it in the future. Then we just need to push this back on. You can see we have the tab here that lines up with this bit. So I'm just going to fold that over there so it doesn't get trapped, and push this into place. Like that. You can just wiggle it around until it sits nicely. There you go. You can see now that's nice and flat, and then all we have to do is turn it on, and you should find that it's working again. This will clip back into place. So if you're finding that it's not working or if it's really slow, then try changing out the batteries, and hopefully then you will see that it will work again. Thanks for watching.